including
mammals, birds,
mammals,
reptiles, and
reptiles,
reptiles,
amphibians,
and reptiles, reptiles, and fishing,
and
amphibian.
fishes. Okay, so vertebrates are animals that have a backbone. Okay, do you have a
Vertebrates.
backbone, Sherbel? Do you have a backbone?
Yes.
Where is your backbone? Can you show me where is your backbone? Yes, very good. Okay, this is our backbone. Okay, so we are called vertebrates because we have a backbone. Okay, other animals has a backbone also. For example, birds. Do you know what is a bird? What is your favorite
Yes.
bird? What is your favorite
Again,
bird, Mr. Bell? What is your favorite bird?
my favorite bird is parrot.
Parrot. Wow, very good. Also, reptiles like crocodile and lizard. Do you know crocodile?
Yes, I do. I
Yes.
know
Have you seen a
crocodile.
crocodile before? Have
Yes,
you
I
seen
do.
where?
I see the crocodile at the zoo.
Wow, zoo, very good. What is the size, big or small crocodile?
Big, long crocodile
How big and long. What is the color of the crocodile?
is green.
Green?
Yes, it's green.
Really? A green or a brown? Or a black?
Maybe it's a brown. Brown.
Brown and black. Okay. The next is we have amphibians like frog. Do you know what is a frog?
Yes, I do. I know the frog.
Where the frog lives?
The frog lives in the pond.
In the pond and in land. Okay, very good. Have you seen a frog before?
No, I haven't.
Do you like it or no?
I don't like it.
You don't like the frog. Okay, very good. The
I'm
next,
very hungry.
then we have fishes. Okay, do you have fishes at home?
No,
No,
I
you
didn't
don't.
have fishes at home.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I did. I ate fish with my family instead.
Wow, very good. Okay, so what is your favorite fish?
My favorite fish is crispy fish.
What is that? Can you eat that one? Can we eat that?
Yes, I can. I can eat the crispy yellow fish. Crispy
Wow,
yellow fish.
I think that is very delicious. Is it delicious?
Yes, it's very delicious. It's super delicious.
Wow. Okay, then also have mammals. Okay, do you know what are the mammals? Can you give me mammals, animals, animal that are mammals?
It's a monkey.
Monkey, yes. What animal are you holding?
Monkey.
What animal is that?
And the cow.
Cow, a pig, right? Okay, how about what animal are you
No,
holding? What animal is that?
it's a monkey.
Is that a monkey or a tiger?
Monkey. Let's see the meaning.
Can I see? I cannot
I
see.
got this monkey.
Oh, it's a monkey. Okay, very good. How about what other else? You say cow? pig. What other else? Give me 3. You say monkey, cow,
Tiger.
tiger,
And
and
oh,
what other else?
rabbit.
Huh?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Last one.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Very good. So they are mammals. How about humans? Are we mammals?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So they are, how are we going to call that one? They are vertebrates or invertebrates?
Vertebrate.
Vertebrates. Okay, they have, how do we call this one again? We call it
Oh, is a backbone.
backbone. Very good. Okay, so next one is we have invertebrates. Okay, what are invertebrates?
An animal carried a backbone such as insects, worm, and bugs.
Okay, what do you mean by lacking? What do you mean by this one? Meaning,
And
No.
no
do
have
not have.
a backbone.
Okay,
Like
very good. Hey, you don't have a backbone, really?
no,
Really?
I have a backbone.
Yeah, you have a backbone. Okay, when you do not have a backbone, you cannot stand up. Okay, so they do not have a backbone like insects. Okay, can you give me example of insects?
Butterfly.
Butterfly, what other else? Give me 4. You say butterfly.
Butterfly.
What other else?
B and bee.
Bee.
And dragonfly and bee.
Dragonfly and
Bee.
bee. Finish already. What about the color green insect? How are you going to call it? Green. That eats grass. Huh? Grasshopper.
A grasshopper.
Yeah, they are insects. Okay, then also worms. Have you seen a worm?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I see one worm at the